In this video, I'm going to show you how to archive Exness account. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to sign in to your Exness personal area dashboard. From here, go to Trading top left and click on Accounts. Here you have your real and demo accounts, and to archive them, it's actually super simple. First, let me show you how to do this with a real account. I'm going to click on here, and then you want to pick your account you want to archive, and to be able to archive it, you may have to have zero balance on here, and I do think you also must not have any open positions, okay? Because if you have like open positions, you won't be able to basically do this, and if your account is currently set to an active account, you won't be able to archive it either, okay? So I do think that's the case, zero balance, no trades on there, and of course, open trades, and you don't have to, of course, it can't be active. Now, once you've done this, go to the right, click on the three dots, and then click on Archive down here at the bottom. Once you do that, your account is going to be archived, and you can find it under Archived Accounts down here at the bottom. Now, if you want to do this for demo, you can go and, of course, archiving a demo account, it's possible no matter what. You can just go over here. I'm going to use this one. Click the three dots, click on Archive, and there we go. The account is going to be archived, okay? And of course, you can do this for as many accounts as you want, but as you can see, if I use this one, which has active positions, it's going to say that this account has active positions or funds, so you have to close any open or pending orders and transfer remaining balance to proceed. Now, in this case, of course, it's a demo account, so I just have to close the positions, and when I do this, I'd be able to archive it, okay? So if that happens to you, go to the Trade button. You can open up the Exness terminal, and it's going to show you exactly, of course, your positions. So let me actually load mine in here. There we go. You can see I have 3 open positions. I'm just going to close them right now. But for you, of course, you can go and kind of manage things however you want. You can wait, you can close, whatever. And once you do this, if I now go back and if I go and archive, you'll see that right now I'm going to have to refresh the website, and then it's going to let me actually archive this, okay? So I've refreshed the website. I'm going to find this account, click on here, archive, and there we go. Now it's working, okay? So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.